Hello creative buddies, welcome back to Flying with Art. Today I am showing you how to make this magical and very easy Backflow Waterfall Incense burner holder or smoke fountain, which I made by recycling old plastic jar and homemade ceramic clay. So let's get started. Starting by taking an old plastic jar, and I mark the required portion which I want to cut out of it, and I cut out the portion using a precision knife. First of all, we have to make a base for the clay work. For that, I'm using aluminium foil and newspaper and making stair-like design for making waterfall. So I make different portions of aluminium foil, and before sticking these to the plastic jar, I'm sticking newspaper to give it more strength. If you are visiting the channel for the very first time, subscribe to Flying with Art and hit the notification bell and select all notifications so that you get notified whenever I upload a new video. And we repeat the process until we get stair-like design. Further shaping it using precision knife and scissors. Now our base is ready for clay work. I'm using homemade ceramic clay for this purpose. So I'm taking a portion of clay and making thin sheets by rolling it on a plastic sheet by using a rolling pin. By rolling it in the plastic sheet, our clay sheet comes out easily. Now sticking this sheet on the plastic jar like so, using white glue. Adding one more layer of clay on our design and smoothing it with water. Making place for putting incense stick. Now making holes so that smoke from incense stick comes down easily. In order to enhance our design, making some stones of clay and sticking these stones randomly using white glue. And our clay work is complete, and we let it dry for 24 hours. And after 24 hours it is ready for painting. So I'm using acrylic color for painting it. First, I'm painting the whole waterfall using black color. Adding shades of grey and brown. Now I'm adding some small stones to our smoke fountain and sticking them using white glue. I collected these stones from sand, and after sticking the stones completes the project, and here is the final look. And our Zen inspired incense backflow waterfall turned out to be so magical and peaceful. Hope you guys find this video helpful and share your valuable feedbacks. And don't forget to subscribe to Flying with Art and hit the notification bell and select all notification for my upcoming videos. Thanks for watching. See you in next one.